Now we're doing, this is a jet, and this is 0.3 out metal drill set that I've bought special to clean the jet, and that small. We gripped it in the pliers that tight and turned the jet round, and it was blocked. And that's out of this one. I don't know what that one is, number 1 or 2.
Yeah, whichever.
Well, these, I think these are the control jets. They're really small inside.
No, not that. Fucking minute.
And then there's even smaller holes in these tubes. I don't know if we can see them, but they're there.
They go into them third, don't they?
Yeah, brilliant. Oh, I'll just show you. Showed that.
Oh, sorry.
This was tight, and the pins come right through now.
So there must have been some shit in it then.
That didn't do that before. It was blocked. And this is why it's probably missing and backfiring. We'll give it some brake cleaner, and that's gone. That's really free now. That is.